Good morning, students. Hello, everyone. Welcome all of you in YouTube channel Physics with Phil. Today, I am going to start numericals with Joule's law of heating. As in an earlier class, we studied about Joule's law of heating, how its formula is derived, derivation of its formula. Today, I am going to start with numericals of Joule's law of heating. The basic formula is H is equal to I square RT. Okay, it is a first formula, basic formula. Okay, according to our previous topics, instead of I, we can write I is equal to V upon R according to the Ohm's law. So put the value of V upon R in first equation. H is equal to V square by R square RT. So 1 R will be cancelled out. The result will be H is equal to V square T upon R, which is the first formula. Next, move to the second formula. H is equal to I square RT. We can write I square is equal to I multiply R multiply T. So I multiply, keep the I into R in a bracket, multiply T. So what you can write IR? You can write it as a V. So I multiply V into T. According to the Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So next formula will be come out is equal to I multiply V multiply T. These are the three basic formula. First, which is a basic, next derivation from it, second derivation from it. So please note this. These are very important according to the paper point of view. Now I am going to move to the numericals related to Joule's law of heating. First is an electric iron, a resistance 20 ohm, takes a current of 5 ampere. Electric iron provides what amount of resistance, that is 20 ohm, by supplying a current of 5 ampere throughout the circuit. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. That how much current will flow in time 30 seconds. So in a basic formula, H is equal to I square RT. You know the value of current, you know the value of resistance, you know the value of time. So please put it 5 square into 20 square into 30 square will be come out 25 multiply 20 multiply 30. 25 multiply 600, the result will be 15,000 joule, or you can write it as 15 multiply 10 raised to 3 joule. Okay, meaning is same. Now move to the next numerical, that is an electrical iron consumed energy at the rate of 880 watt. Power is a 880 watt when heating is at the maximum rate. Okay, heating reaches to its maximum rate and 440 watt. When the heating is at the minimum rate, the applied voltage is 220 volt. Calculate the current and resistance. As initially the voltage is very low, voltage is 220 volt, or heating effect is very low. After some time, when current will start flowing through it, it becomes overheated by a power 880 watt. Clear? In a case 1, the power is 880 watt. The formula of power is V square upon R. Please note it. Without this, you can't able to solve the numerical. Please, this is a basic formula. Note it. P is equal to V square upon R. So from it, resistance is equal to V square upon P. So put the value of voltage 220 whole square upon resistance 880 and solve it. The resistance will be come out 55 ohm. Okay, this is the resistance of power 880 watt. Next, you have to find out the value of the current. So according to the formula, V is equal to IR, I is equal to V upon R. Put the value of voltage is 220 volt and resistance is 55 ohm and the current will be 4 ampere. This is about a case 1 when the power is 880 watt. Okay, next you have to move to the case 2 when power is 440 watt. So P is equal to V square upon R, R is equal to V square upon P. Put the value of the V will be the remain same as there is no difference in the potential. So 220 into 220, resistance is power is 440 watt, resistance will be 110 ohm. So according to the next formula, Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, I is equal to 2 ampere. Clear? If you have any doubt in second numerical, please reply in a comment section. So next formula is, third numerical is 220 joule. What is this quantity represent? It is a work. Joule is a unit of a heat energy or work, you can say it as same, of heat is produced each second. Each second means in a 1 second in is a atom. Find the potential difference across the resistor. You have a work or you have a heat, value of heat. You have the value of time, that is in each second, or value of resistance, 8 ohm. So according to the H is equal to VIT, put the value of the I is V upon R into T. 220 is equal to B square upon 8 into 1. The value of the resistance is 8, the value of time is 1. The value of heat is 220 joule. So the value of voltage will be come out 42 volt. Okay, please see the solution. Next, please note out this numerical, it is very important. Okay, thank you students. Please do the numerical and practice other numerical as well. Thank you so much.